Hello everyone. Today I Sapna will tell you about wild animals, as wild animals is our next topic in life science after pet animals. Animals which live in jungle or forest are wild animals. We cannot make them our pets. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, snake, deer, crocodile, etc. are the examples of wild animal. So today we are going to learn about lion. Lion is the second largest big cat after the tiger. Lion belongs to cat family. They are the only cat that live in groups called pride. There are 8 types of lion, but African and Asians are the main. Lion is known to be the king of jungle. A lion have big manes which look like crown itself. A female lion doesn't have mane. They look a bit different from a male lion. A baby lion is called cub. A lioness can give birth to 4 cubs at a time. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers. Lions use roar to warn rivals. Lion makes variety of sounds like purrs, grunts, snarls, moans, and hums. Lions in the wild live for around 12 years. Lions hunt animals for food. Basically, female lions are the main hunters. While females are out for hunting, the male guard their young ones. Lions are the laziest of all the big cats. They can sleep for 16 to 20 hours a day. Now, watch what this lion is going to say about himself.
I am the jungle king, the most majestic thing. I am the ferocious mighty lion of cats, I am a kin. My head's crowned by a thick mane that makes lionesses look plain. I live in a group that's called a pride. Over my territory I reign. While I guard the cubs of my pride, the females hunt side by side. They hunt much better than the males, but let the males eat first with the pride. I rest in the shade all day, saving energy to hunt for my prey. My roar is so very loud it can be heard 5 miles away. In Africa and Asia I'm seen, in grasslands and woods green. Although I swim well and I'm a cat, on trees I'm rarely seen.